back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. So today I'm going to be making some Halloween themed slime. Into the video, I am doing a huge new deal with my channel. I'm going to be having a new shout out system. Lots of people have been asking for shout outs, so what I'm going to be doing is that randomly throughout the video, I'm going to be having little messages around here or here or here or anywhere on the screen. And the first 2 people to comment that will be given a shout out at the end of my videos, just so that I can know that people are watching through my videos and not just skipping through them. So that'll be a really great way to get a shout out. So that's enough talking, let's just get on into the video. This first slime, I'm making a clear glue slime. I'm using some Elmer's clear glue and just going to pour that into my bowl. I've never used black paint in clear glue based slimes, so this is going to be a first for me. Now to incorporate my ingredients, I'm just going to be using my spoon to mix it all together. After I have everything moderately mixed in, I'm just going on with my activator. A bit more careful than I am with my normal white glue slimes. All I'm doing is going to add that in slowly. This is a clear glue base, so I'm going to be... Now I'm just going in with my hands to get that nicely incorporated. It is a bit stringy and a bit on the gluey side, but that is a-okay. I'm just going to go on in with some extra. Here's the slime after 3 days. It hasn't fully cleared up, but it is so dark and so pretty. The black is so pigmented, like I can't. It looks like an opaque slime, but it is super glossy. But actually, it's a clear slime, so it's super duper dark, yet super clicky and super glossy. I really love the added in black paint. It gives that nice touch to the slime. It is a bit sticky. I really enjoy the color. It's a super dark black that reminds me so much of a shiny witch's cauldron. I'm making a candy corn themed slime. All I'm doing is adding in some of my glue. I'm going to be making a big batch of white glue slime so that I can separate it into different pieces so that I can color them into the colors of candy corn. As for normal slime making, I'm just going in with my normal activator mix, which is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. And I'm just going to gradually add that in until my slime starts to pull away from the bowl. All I'm going to do is just knead the slime. It doesn't need as much kneading as a clear glue slime since it is a school glue base and it doesn't require as much. I'll leave a link down below and up in the iCard of my Glue Wars video. You can learn more about these white glues that you always use for slime making and their different properties and characteristics. I'm just going to separate my slime into 3 different pieces, so that I can have it for the 3 different colors of candy corn, which orange, yellow, and white. I'm smart. So all I'm doing is making sure that I have about the same amount of each piece, so that one doesn't have more. That seems about right, and I'm just going to be coloring each piece according to its consecutive color. I wasn't able to find my yellow food coloring or paint, so I'm using a yellow marker. It's a really amazing hack, which I do recommend for all of you if you can't find a color that you want to color your slime with. This is so much easier and it's really inexpensive. Now I'm using some neon orange gel food coloring. I really like gel food coloring because you don't need as much and it's super pigmented. So that is a plus. So that means that you can use it as much as you like and it won't run out as quickly. It looks on camera a bit more yellow. I don't know why, but in real life it's a very vibrant, like orange color. I don't know why it's doing it. So I'm just going to go on with some more just so that it looks more orange on camera. So this was as orange as I could have gotten this slime. It's super bright in real life, but it looks so yellowy and like Kraft mac and cheese. I have no idea why. For the third one, I'm keeping it wet. So after you have all three of your colors, you can go on and put them in your container. So what I'm going to be doing is layering it. So I'm going on with my orange, yellow. Just make some room for them so that they can be spaced. I'm just going on with my finger and just fixing the lines so that they are straight and more like candy corn. Okay, so now I have my slime all layered really nicely, and all I'm going to be doing is leaving the slime out for a little bit so that the colors can merge a little and it could turn super duper glossy. And this video is supposed to be up by Wednesday, which is Halloween day, and it's Saturday of Halloween week, so that kind of sucks. So I'm just going to give you guys some ASMR with this slime. I didn't let it gloss up because I didn't have much time, but I love, love, love the colors. Look how absolutely stunning they look. It's so, so pretty. So the slime is slowly turning into mainly just an orange color. On camera, it's coming up as this macaroni and cheese orange, which is so, so ugly, but in real life, it's this really vibrant. Oh my gosh, please don't fall on me. This always happens. Oof. But it's this like macaroni and cheese color, but in real life, it's this super pretty, vibrant neon orange, which I do really enjoy. Definitely comment down below if you guys want a slime makeover video. I do have some old slimes that are a bit now drab and not as cute as I used to think they were. And this one is one of them, especially since it's just orange and super plain. So tell me what I should do down below with this slime, and I want to hear your suggestions. For watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what was your favorite slime. I'll also leave a poll up here so that I can see what you guys liked. Definitely go on and choose what you like. I love to see what your guys' reactions are to the slimes. So remember, I am having a new shout out system, so make sure to watch the whole video. And if you haven't and you just skipped through, go watch it to get a shout out. 2 people will be lucky enough to earn themselves a shout out in the end of my videos. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye!